So, hi everyone. This is how today's market looks like. Let's have a view of what market can do today. Most probably, what we can see on the daily time frame is after creating a retracement, market is falling down, right? After creating a rejection, this is the low of the market, and this is the high of the market of the previous day. So, after creating rejection, market is going towards the low. Let's see what people can do here in a likely time frame. Let's see, let's look at 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I guess. What we can observe here is definitely there will be a buyers here, and buyers are maybe getting attacked here. But what we can understand is from here, the buyers are not yet exited after this low. So this is the previous day low. Market is hovering at previous day closing. If it takes supports here, then it definitely attack the sellers who are selling here, or maybe they are very in less quantities. The sellers are very in less quantities, and they might not be targeted here. Might be buyers are getting targeted here. Also, another concerning part, after seeing this 15-minute red candle, only sellers will come into the market. So we have to take care of that. The retailers, what are the things that are done by the retailers who should not do it? Although I am expecting a sideways market today, because yesterday only market has shown a V or a zigzag movement, which is a concerning part. If market takes supports at closing price, let's look at the round numbers. In the below, here is a round number of 24,600, and at the above, resistance of 24,700. Let's see what price has done here. Today's closing. So the closing of this price of this candle is 24,622. So as you can see, previous day's closing is 24,626. So it is closing above 620, 600 only. So maybe what I am expecting here is there would be buyers into the market, right? Definitely there will be strong buyers into the market because they are not yet targeted. Also, market is showing 600 above closing, 24,600 above closing for them. So if market goes like this, then definitely buyer will come or the buyer will get into profit. We are planning for a selling side trade. Let's see where we can get a selling side trade, because the buyers that are there in the market are not yet targeted, right? Yesterday also they are not yet targeted because they are the strong buyers, right? Also, the strong buyers that are there into the market, they have a good amount of money. So to get that amount of money, their SLs would be onto this point, or 24,500 is the round number. Their SLs will be there, and 24,500 and SL will be there. So market is trying to taking support at 24,600, which may attract the buyers, So today I am expecting the seller's target, or my view is towards selling side. Let's look and let's have a where is the PV pivot? Okay, market is exactly at the pivot, and it can take rejection from here. I am expecting at least a rejection from here. Let's look at the 100 EMA. It is flat only, and if we see downside breakdown and then upside breakdown. Okay, 100 EMA doesn't tell us anything. I am plotting the range here. In that range, I am not going to take any trade. This is the low of the range. So in this range, I am not going to take any trade. So let's see how market performs. I also let's try to observe something. Here you can see a trend line coming, right? Looking at the trend line, everyone might be selling it. Let's look at the heat map. And what in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is taking support at exactly 60% level. This is the 60% level which we have plotted. and this is the previous day closing. So market has broken down the previous day closing. Let's look at the heat map first. Mixed sentiments only. Wipro is 2% up. L&T is 2% up. Okay. Tata Consumer, TCS, Tata Consumers products is 4% down. Hindustan Lever 4% down. Tata Motors 4% down. 2% down. So having an opinion that here it is showing, here it is looking like bearish market or bearish to sideways market. Let's look at Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty is also looking bearish. Let's see if we can get any. Let's just look at the 24,600, 24,700. It's a good premium. I'm just observing the premium right now. We have done what is expected. As per plan, market is going, but we do not have any entry. Also, the premium is not looking so good. Here is the previous low. If market tests that, this is the previous low. Market has broken this week. The concerning part here is the premium. Look at the fluctuations in the premium. Let's wait for something to be formed. If this becomes a trap candle because it has broken the low, which is 24,600, which is a good support, which can be a good support also. Because after 24,600 breakdown, sellers will be coming into the market and market can go higher also. So let's see. Let's see if market is not interested to target the buyers, which are here, right? Then definitely it can target the sellers also, because looking at this resistance, sellers will definitely come into the market. Also, there is a previous low to low formation, and market can target the sellers. But as of now, it is not looking that much. Let's see if any setup form, then we will take trade, or otherwise not. Let's have a look at all premium also. 24,006. If this candle reverses completely, we can take towards selling side trade. Just wait for the candle closing. We can't enter in this form because our SL will be not in profit place. Let's see what market is. Market is sustaining. If price comes to this point, I will try to enter into a buy side trade because market is sustaining at 24,600 after breaking down 24,600. So let's see if market sustains there or not. Have some quantities here. I'm waiting for just the candle closing, 5-minute candle closing. 10 minutes, what is clear rejection from the downside. If it come a little bit down, it goes higher, then I am not interested. If it comes down, I would take some quantities. It has taken support at exactly 24,600. Let's go with some quantities. Enter into the day. Expectation would be, okay, let me first put a stop loss first. This high is 152. The 6 is there. Market can break this high 164. Let's see. 156 would be my target for the set 5 quantities. Expectation would be intraday high breakout. It can turn into a rejection, but probability would be it can go higher also. Definitely, market is not going to give us a reward very soon. Although our entry is good, that's why we are not seeing red PNL as of now. Can add one quantity here also. Let's wait for something to be found. Although there is a CPR rejection coming here, but the way market has trapped the sellers is incredible. If here, what is the possibility after this? Market can break this high, market can go sideways after that, break this high. Possibilities are there. Let's see. I'm expecting this to go at least 10 to 15 points in our direction. Definitely, this fluctuation will be there. This high is 156. Let's not have any emotions over here. Also, I'm seeing a little bit of deviation in the premium and the spot because the premium is not going up and the spot is going a little bit up. Then let's see what market does. There is a definite rejection zone. As you can see, this zone is acting as a rejection zone. So if market crosses this, it definitely can go higher also. Let's see. Our view is not changing at all. At least my target will be this high breakout. After that, you can expect more. As of now, this is what my target looks like. If market goes till this, I will. Okay, let's have a view towards booking the profits. This high is 164. I think I should book 75 quantities here. 156. Okay, successfully booked. Okay, and for the further quantities, I am targeting this high. For the for one lot, I have successfully played stop loss also. I'm not expecting this to go till reverse. Okay, intraday high breakdown. If happens here, we can also put the target. Definitely in this trade, we are not going to book any loss. But what is concerning here is, yes, market can show negativity also. Let's book all quantities because you can see the rejection that is coming in the premium, right? This high is 157.95. Let's see what market does. 64 would be the target. I could have waited, but you can see the fluctuation. I don't want to lose the profits. Although I have booked 10 quantities, 10 points. Definitely there would be rejections. Market is not going to give us easy targets. Fluctuation that market is showing us is insane. 15 minute it is looking good. Let's look at the 15-minute chart only. Also, after the closing of 15-minute candle, market can show a fluctuation. I must put 64 would be my target. Definitely market can go low after this and then after that can go higher. So let's see. 58, okay. High is this high will be my target 164. So in the spot also market has not broken the previous day high. It is coming to break. So if this breaks also in spot, I will book target also. 157 would be good target because it has broken. Okay, I have booked successfully all quantities. Let's see what is the PNL. 986 is our what PNL is. Okay, this is what today's trade is. The reason why I have booked in this trade because market can reverse from here because it has broken the intraday high. This is what our target is, right? After breaking the intraday high, buyers can come into the market, and I don't want retailers to participate in my trade. So that's why we have booked all quantities here. Definitely, our quantity today is less because I am hoping just to go downside, but market has not. So this is what today's market is. We'll update you if any observations come into the market. Definitely, it can look. I will just plot you this, and it will break this. You see, definitely it can break this, but uh, getting your target according to your risk management is a good thing. If you look at what is the buying price, okay, 139, no, 139 is 147 is our buying price. Okay, so we have missed a few points, but let's not have an issue here because we have booked good points. I have booked 10 to 12 points, I guess. So you should not be worried about that, right? Okay. So this is what I am saying. Market can reverse here, and can't I can't handle after seeing two candles in my direction. I can't handle this type of reversals from there. So this is what today's market is because booking the profit is also important. You are not here to just to uh, right what just to do analysis and everything. Definitely this is the crucial part also, but as you can see there is no strength in the market for the 600 people. Also I am not denying the decay factor and the opening theta decay factor, but you should expect at least a good premium move according to the spot, right? The spot has broken the high, but premium has not. So you are expecting that good premium move. And if this doesn't happen, then as your selling view is initially your view is selling towards selling, you can't expect this to go further, right? So this is why I booked the target today, which is fairly enough target. No doubt I should have waited for this, but let's see if market goes till this. I will update you. Otherwise, this is what today's target is. So here I am just tracking the premium at 24 at Zerodha's terminal, and you can see this is the high which is broken down. Let me put the line here. Okay, this high is broken, but the premium has not broken the intraday high. Also, you can look at this fluctuation. I am telling about this only because after getting profit, you can't hold for this move, right? This is what I am concerned about. Although my entry in this premium would, is at 177, 147, I guess, and I stop loss is this much, and my target will be this much. This is what we have thought. Although we have good quantity, good target, but let's see how market behaves after our entry or after this much of volatility. Let's plot the chart in high. This is the high, right? And in the premium, 24,600 call is the premium. This is the premium. Look at this. I am telling about this only. My entry is 147, right? This is I entry. This is where I have placed the stop loss. This is what I am expecting from the market. Look, if okay, let's have a look at in the money premium. Any move had happened in the money? No, in the money is far away. Look at this. This is far away from the target. Okay, sorry. Let's go in the money, which is 400. Let's look at in the money has given some move, definitely. But still the high is not broken here. Definitely could have better target we entered in the money. But let's not regret about it. Let's learn from it. Going in the money is a good option, obviously. Definitely market can go higher. I'm expecting this to be broken. Let's see if market breaks or not. We'll update you about that also. So it has successfully broken the high. Let's look at ATM. ATM has not gone still. Definitely I could have folded this trade, but no worries, sir. What I have got is good enough target. Definitely market can break this high to take the SLs of the sellers, call sellers. Look at the rejection that is getting. No doubt I have to hold in this rejection, but you can understand my psychology after a big loss and recovering from that definitely is a tough task for. So what I have done is not a bad thing, I would say. But let's see if these are the learnings. These are the learnings that market is giving. Why I have rejected, but because after this breakdown, only sellers will come into the market. Sorry, buyers will come into the market, and to trap them, market can show a rejection. If this rejection turns out to be very big, then I would have to book the stop loss also, right? So why to book the stop loss after getting a decent move in your side, right? 10% move in your side. So why not to book 10% target also? So this is what my concern is. Although market is supreme, market has shown some learning to us. So let's have the learning and exit from the market. So if any observations come, I will tell you in observation video. But this is what my today's trade is. Right? Thank you.